What's up, YouTube? Super Carlos64 here. Here's a video, finally. I know, wow. Anyways, I'm still waiting on those PSA returns. It's gonna be a month or so. Anyways, I got here $14 store packs. 14, I believe it's 14. And yeah, I'm gonna open them and see what we got. It's been a while. I deleted the videos, of course, since I last made these videos. Please, let's see. Please give me your energy to get anything good, even though they're probably a scam. All right, let's just get right into them. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Holy cow, that makes this thing hard. Okay. There we go. Sorry. I just like getting the old cards. It's more random. All right. So we got a whatever that is, the Marnox Awaken, Crawler, Red Resonator. That's the rare. That Trickstar, and that. All right, nothing. Let me just quickly fix those up. I want to know if anyone pulled anything crazy from these things. All right. Let's see what we get. Here's pack number 2. Stat, change the spell, dice it. Okay. The king, whatever. I'm not gonna bother try pronounce names. XX Saber. That's a rare. Another Trickster. No hollows, huh? I guess I remember before we used to get quite a bit of hollows. I wonder if they cut down on those. Alright. See. Blocker. Another change of spell. Incantation. What is this? Some skipper got. Wait, oh, this is what is this from? I don't know. I don't know why you call that rarity. Great Skipper, and not Trickstar, and a reverse. What is it? Reversible Beetle. Okay. Come on. Come on. Really? This one's different. Okay. Wow. Okay. There we go. Let's just open it from the back. There we go. All right. Let's see. Whatever that. Cover in fire. Is that right? Hollow? No. So drop in Inferno. That's been a while since I last seen that. Oh, we got a VW Tiger Catapult. Okay, so we can get stuff. So first edition, it's a legendary collection, Kaiba or something like that. I don't know exactly, but we did. They are okay. So they are not a Trickster. Wow, they are hollows. You can get hollows. Okay. All right, next one. Come on. Really? Is there? Let me. Yeah, I got something right here. There we go. Little knife. All right. Let's see what we got here. I'm not gonna bother saying that. Trick Box, Dino Wrestler, Salamangreat Claw. And another of those sparkly cards. Speed Lift. Performapal, another of those beetles. Okay. Another one of this. Another of that. Mimeki? I think that's how you say it. Ooh, Mystical Space Typhoon. And we get... Oh, a secret rare Paraplant Hydra. I don't know. So, okay. What is this? Gravekeeper's Headman and Revenge of the Normal. Alright. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, stop. Song. The Bird of Beginning. Punch It in a Box. Snowman Effect. Salamangreat. Fire Dog. And what do we... Okay, Recover. Okay, and now Trickstar. Okay. Oh, wait, I should... Okay, I screwed that up. Alright. Let's see. From the Rescue Interlancer, I think. Memory Loss. Yeah, I've been having that a lot lately. Standing. Oh, this is the remake of the old Yu-Gi-Oh card. Okay, and our Vision Hero Trinity. I wonder if that's any good. Pegasus Wing, and our rare is Speedburst Dragon. Alright. Let's see what we get here. DMC Dragon. That looks more like a dinosaur. Punch in the Box. Incantation. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a lot of beeping going on. Fire Ferret. And our rare is Guard Dragon Shield. And look at that, another Trickstar. We only have not that many packs left. Alright. That Reptiles. That Cyber's Reminder. Inferno again. And our... Okay. Bubble Bright. Incantation. And our rare is Guard Dragon. Whatever that is. Again, I'm horrible with the names. Sorry. Alright, let's see. Next pack. Sea Star. Ray Raptor Return. World Legacy. No, it's Volcanic Shield. It's been a while since I've seen one of those things. I guess they reprinted. Our rare is another of that stupid dragon. Okay, what's another Trickstar? Baba Barber. Okay. We got 2 more packs after this. Alright. Fury of Fire. Dragon Cantation, I think. A Dolphin. That thing again. And a rare. This stupid Pendulums. I think Pendulums was stupid. Oh, you look at that. Trickstar again. And second last pack. Oh, well, I messed it up. Sorry. Alright. Sorry. Mirror Fantasy. That Cybers. Skipper again. Assault Senato. Performapal. An FA. And we got Fusion Destiny. For the Destiny Heroes, I guess. I don't know if that's any good. The last pack. I'm not gonna say can we end up with a holo, because holos are kind of meaningless now, and they're usually garbage, because the game kind of got screwed. Everyone got spoiled, because now you get a rare holo in every pack, kind of taking the meaningless of them being holo. Because I remember when I was a kid, pull up holo, and we're like, oh wow, and now they're like, huh, whatever. Okay, hold on, gotta get my little knife. There we go. Oops, sorry. I'm sorry. There you go. It's not, this video ain't much, but it's something to show that I'm not completely dead. And I do have stuff coming. I'm waiting on my Rush Duel box to come. I really want to pull the Blue Eyes. All right, let's see what we got. Bird Protection. Magma Dragon. Fall Tester, I guess. Oh, this Beast King, and our rare card is Madolche T-Break, Dino Wrestler, Apple of Enlightenment is our regular rare, and Salamangreat. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get back to Speed Duels because I'm making more toon support because I like toons. So let's just do a quickly rundown of our rares. So that's the rares, that's holos, rare, holo, rare. We got a lot of those. Rare. I think that's pretty good. I don't know. I remember back in the day. These are just commons. Let's put that there. Rare. One secret rare. Oh, this pile's falling down. Whatever this rarity is called. One ultra rare. Let's put them there. It's a lot of trick stars. All right. So 4 super rares, 2 whatever that this rare starlight, whatever we want to call it. 1 ultra, 1 secret. 14 packs. I don't know. Don't know. I don't play Modern Yu-Gi-Oh too much. I play Speed Duels, but let me know if I pull anything good. Oh, the only thing I think I pulled good was this guy. The rest are garbage, I think. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of these packs. Are dollar packs, store packs even worth it? And are you guys excited when this thing finally blows over? Oh, I can't wait for the other packs. I also got Speed Duel tournament packs coming, so stay tuned for those. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.